For this video, we spilled berry juice on a carpet and left it to dry for a few days. We're using the FCS Solutions carpet cleaner and stain remover to get rid of this stain. To use this product, shake first and then thoroughly spray the stained areas until damp. The carpet cleaner and stain remover is designed for regular cleaning and removal of stains on carpets, rugs, and upholstery. Made in Canada, biodegradable, and eco-friendly. It's easy to use, has a very faint scent, and effectively removes tough stains. It has an alkaline formula that leaves no soap residue and needs no rinsing. After spraying the stained areas, we let the product work for 5 minutes. When the stain is gone, remove excess moisture with a clean cloth, paper towel, or wet vacuum. For this tutorial, we're using a clean cloth, but for heavier stains, wet vacuums are ideal to get the last of the moisture and stains out. As you can see, the carpet cleaner and stain remover has this carpet looking brand new. To shop carpet cleaner and stain remover, click the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.